Hello, welcome to my another video, and today we are making another project about file comparing. So today's our file comparing program will be some basic. So what we are going to do today is first of all we are just comparing two files. One is file 1 and file 2, that is in depth of this is file 1 and this is file 2. So uh, if we have two files, so first of all we are doing is reading this f1. After reading f1, we are putting this into a variable name, like assume f1 file. So same goes to f2. After reading it, we are putting it into f2 variable. After that, after reading, we are going to put this in f2 and similar to f1. After that, we are just comparing f1 or f2. If they are identical, print identical. And if f1 did not identical to f2, print no identical, no identical. So this is our simple concept. Just reading the file, putting into a variable, and then compare. So let's start. Shift right click, open. So compare file.py. So we need file. So I'm just making a.txt where I'm telling them writing is I am Batman. So don't forget to save this because it did not automatically save. So Control S and b.txt. Sorry, b.txt. So I am Superman. Save and I am I am Luffy. Okay, I am Batman. So after saving this, so we have both identical and one is not identical. So first starting with, first of all we are uh, opening with open. So a.txt, open with read is f, sorry, and putting this in file 01 f dot read. So after reading this, let's print whether our program is running properly or not. So I'm Batman, it's working properly. Now we need to read another file. So just copy. Oh, damn it. So we do not need this right now. So file to let's make this for now B. So I am Batman, I'm Superman. Now let's compare. If file 01 file 02 are equal, print files are identical. So let's print file are not identical. So let's check this. So file are not identical. Let's compare with another one which is similar. So file are identical. Now we just get let me now we want to make our code more flexible. So I'm just making this one is file. We are taking file name from user. So input enter name of file 1. So you are file 2 and some changes here and file name 2. So little bit changes here also. File 1 will make it some visible. Now what we are going to do is like a.txt I'm Batman, b.txt. So file are not identical. Now we need some exception case. So let's use while true. So we are adding something. So try exception file not found, print file not found, continue. So oh man, what happening? Okay, did that. No, file not found. Let's check this. Like if I use this file.txt file not found. Okay, it's working properly now. In so this is our some basic. So let's make some let's use some feature like if the user want to continue or not, like something like that. We want to break our code because we can't run our code infinity time. So what we are going to do is just giving some instruction to the user like okay. So what we're going to do is exit is equal to input. Do you want to exit? Yes. Go for y and no for n. So let's just make this if exit equal to s hash break else continue. Do you want to continue? No. Do you want to continue? No. Do you continue? Yes. Okay, it's working fine. So we need some exception case here also, like if exit not in and so here also continue and some instruction, please enter y r and only enter. Okay, let's try this. Do you want to exit? S for s y and no. So if I enter 5, do you want to exit? Only enter y and no. So y, I mean no. R, yeah, only enter. So it's working fine. Now let's check this. Enter a dot file, okay, a dot txt and c dot txt. So our file are identical because we put I am Batman and I am Spider, I am Batman in both sides. So where is the code? So if I enter here like g, yo, that's gonna make my code go direct code up. So is there any way that I can only repeat this section? Repeat it only. Okay, what if I continue or any repeat? I return exit. So does it work? Okay, I'm just curious. So return, let's return. Let's try this. Return. Uh, def. What we gonna do here? Some like quiet. So ex exit is called exit. Ah, some exception cache. Uh, okay. I'm not gonna make my brain out. So this is simple. Let's make this code simple. So a dot txt. I'm Batman. B dot txt. So file are not identical. Do you want to continue? No. So just break. Ah. Okay. Do you want to exit? Oh no. Oh, it's working properly. Let's assume that if the file are uh like if I make this capital and another one is not capital. So let's check this. With the file a.txt, c.txt. So file are identical. Okay, I didn't save that. Sorry, my bad. Save. What is my file? A.txt, c.txt. So file are not identical. What we're going to do is just make this dot lower same equals to lower So a.txt, c.txt. So now it's simple. So even if I make all of this thing capital, like am Batman, oh sorry, so even I make this, even if I make this, so what is my code? A.txt and sorry, c.txt file are identical, because from here we are making our input in lower cases when while processing. You can assume that, you can think is like we are just taking input, just converting a little bit, converting the input with something, converting into lowercase from here, both from here, and just comparing here and asking whether you want to repeat or not, something like that. And thank you for watching this video. Okay.